Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set screen lock pattern password in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to security and privacy and here select device unlock and click on screen lock and click on pattern here and read the instruction, and after reading instruction click on continue and draw the pattern that you want to set. I draw this pattern. Okay, again draw the same pattern to verify, and your phone is asking you to turn on fingerprint lock. Okay, if you want to enable fingerprint lock here itself, click on enable, otherwise click on cancel. Okay, I cancel it as of now. I would like to later set fingerprint. Okay, and now put lock in your phone and try to unlock your phone. See here, it is asking pattern. Just draw the pattern that you set. This is current pattern, and yes, it is working very well. So in this way you can easily set screen lock pattern password in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.